Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great, and I'm back again with another video today. So today I'm going to show you a really simple way to do eyeshadow. It is a really cool hack which I saw online, and I thought, it's nice, and I've tried it. It was super easy, so that I thought I'll show it to you guys too. So let's start. So for this amazing hack, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's called the Soft Glam, and it's a really nice eyeshadow palette. It has amazing colors here. So we need like neutral colors, something which has like browns and some glittery shades and light color. I'm going to show you how to do this now. So for this hack, you start with applying darker shades from the outer corners, lighter shade in the inner corners. So I'm going to show you how to do that. For that, I'll be using this dark brown shade here. It's called the Cypress Amber. Okay, this one. And I'm going to just take my brush, just take some product, and this is the darker shade on the outer corner. Okay, you could do the same thing on this side. Once you've done that, now we'll take the lighter shade, which is this. I'm going to apply this now. Moving on to my next shade. So this is the next glittery shade, which is a little darker, and this is the lightest one. So I'm going to use this first. ये ले लिया मैंने. Now I'm just going to place it here. Wow, this looks good. Now to the lightest shade, which is this. It's called Fairy. Now the only thing I'm going to do is use this fluffy brush, and then I'm going to blend it really well. So blending takes a while. Just blend it properly, and that's it. I think it looks beautiful. What do you think? Wow. I'm going to blend this side as well, starting from outer. That's it guys, it was super easy. I just blended it really well, and that's it. It just took me like 5 minutes max. And I'm just going to apply some mascara and show you my complete look. So guys, I just applied some mascara. I think it looks fab and I love it, and let me know in the comments if you liked it. And I think this is really cool. The 5 minutes आपको अच्छा eyeshadow करना है, that this is all you have to do. So this is really cool for like beginners. So do try this and let me know in the comment section below, and also tell me what do you want to see in my next video. If you want me to do some skincare or makeup, do let me know, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you later.